Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G82, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So let's just first open the screen where you want to add the widget. I'll go with this one, and now just hold for a while your widget screen, and here tap on the widgets icon. After that, you'll see here all the available applications which widgets you can add. Now, for example, we can see that here in Clock app we have 5 widgets, so let's just tap here to see all the types of this widgets. And now we can just select one from this clock. So let's go, for example, with this one. Just hold it and drag it here, for example, just to add this widget to our screen. If you want to resize the widgets, you can make it by this way. You can make it smaller or bigger. Okay, so let's just make it a little bit smaller here. Now if you want to move this widget here on the screen, you can hold it and drag it. Also, we can move the widgets between the screens, and if you want to just create a new screen with a widget, that's not a problem. Also, just hold it and drag it here. And if you want to remove it, just hold and drag it to the left upper corner to remove icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.